An iPod. The timer set to 15 minutes. Music isn't loud, just loud enough to listen to the words. Soft enough so I could hear the raindrops beating on my window. It's a few raindrops one hears before a storm. Never the same sound twice. Clouds gather, building up a rhythm on my bedroom window. Rhythm seeping into my dreams, pouring. Only through adamant practice did the piano sound beautiful. After school and late-night dance rehearsals, I came back home and it was there, waiting for me. Unleashing a rhythm that pulsated through my body, healing in those moments of sweet release. I miss those days. I haven't returned to those polished black and white keys. I walk past now, as though it was just an object, afraid that we won't make the same music like we did once before. Touch and sound would be unfamiliar. He was like the piano, always there, waiting, fingertips and polished beauty. Last December, 1 year ago. He's like the piano. And so, I walk past. Hearing rhythms, raindrops,